This is exactly how YouTube pays creators in Nigeria, because a lot of people out there think that the minute you see a payment is being sent or your payment is sent, most of us think that the money is going to be reflecting directly into our bank account, but it doesn't work that way. So in today's video, I'm just going to be taking us through on the step-by-step procedure to how YouTube pays Nigerian creators. Okay, so try your best to make sure to pay maximum attention, and with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life of Princess Chiamaka. Yes, on this particular channel, all what we talk about is YouTube paycheck, how much you can actually earn per views on YouTube, motivational videos to keep you going, and also some YouTube tips you need to apply on your channel for you to actually grow faster. Okay, and if this sounds like something you might want to be seeing always, please make sure to do well to hit the subscribe button and become part of this amazing beautiful family. Okay, yeah, so let's quickly break down how you can actually earn money here on YouTube, most especially from your AdSense account down to your bank details or down to your bank alerts. Okay, now first of all, you need to get monetized. For you to be eligible to earn money here on YouTube, you have to get monetized. And we all know that for you to get monetized here on YouTube, there are two different ways. That is, there are two different methods. You can get monetized by posting your long form video, which means you have to look for 4,000 public watch hours and obviously your 1,000 subscriber for you to be fully eligible. Okay, while on the other hand, you can also monetize your channel through YouTube shorts. So for that one, you just have to hit 10 million views within 3 months and get up to 1,000 subscribers. So whichever pattern, whichever method you decide to work with, you can still get monetized. Okay, so this is one of the first step to earning money. If your channel is not monetized, whether you have 1 million subscriber or you have thousands of views on your channel, as long as you are not yet accepted yet into the YouTube partnership program, you cannot earn money. So you have to go ahead and apply for YouTube partnership program for you to be fully eligible to make money here. Okay, so the second step is, where exactly does your YouTube money go into? Your YouTube paycheck, or let's say your YouTube money, goes directly into your AdSense account. Okay, now that you have been monetized, or now that your channel has been accepted into the YouTube partnership program, the next thing is YouTube is going to start paying you, first of all, for your previous videos, as long as they're still getting new views. Okay, while for your upcoming videos or your recent videos that you're going to be posting, YouTube is going to be paying you for each and every one of them. So that is how you start making money, be it short, be it live stream. YouTube is going to be paying you. So the minute you start earning here on YouTube, you have to understand that your money does not directly go into your bank account first. No, it goes directly into your Google AdSense account. So it's from there that it is now going to finally move over to your bank account. And this is where most YouTubers get it all wrong. That is why I used to advise, most especially when I shared this video with us, when it comes to creating your AdSense account as a YouTuber, as a monetized YouTuber, you have to be very, very careful, because any small mistake there could cost you your channel earning. Like, it could literally delay your earning for 1 year or even 6 months. So you have to carefully create your Google AdSense account. So we are going to be considering a Google AdSense account more like a wallet where YouTube stores your money before it finally goes over into your bank account. So another thing is, there's what we call payment threshold, and on YouTube there, before you receive money, you have to hit that payment threshold, and YouTube general payment threshold is $100. So if, let's assume that for the month of January you are not able to meet up that payment threshold, that is that $100, let's say you only make $30, YouTube is going to let it be. So February, let's say you manage to make like $40, YouTube is still going to add it. That is 40 plus 30, that is $70. Then let's say for the month of March you finally made like $40, that is to beat the money to over $100 threshold. That is when YouTube is now going to pay you. So now the question is, where are all this money going to be kept? All this money are going to be going directly into your AdSense account. So at the end of the day, once you have finally meet that $100 threshold, then YouTube is going to deduct what they call tax before they will now finally deposit it into your bank account. Okay. So the fourth step is, as a creator in Nigeria, you need to make sure to set up your bank details correctly, because any mistake involving your bank details, it can cost you your money. So just like as I used to say to my direct student, that is, whenever people come to me for this full monetization setup, I used to be very detailed when it comes to creating your domiciliary account, and also submitting other important details for the monetization setup. Okay, so as a creator in Nigeria, you are advised to go ahead and open a domiciliary account, which is also known as dollar account. And one good thing is, almost all the banks in Nigeria actually have dollar accounts. For example, Access Bank, First Bank, UBA, FCMB, and a lot of other banks like that, GTB, they all have dollar accounts. So what you simply need to do is to create a dollar account. Okay, and when you are creating dollar account, please pay attention to the name you are using. For example, my name is Chukwujoy Chiamaka, and let's say one of the form I want to submit to YouTube for my identity is bearing Chukwujoy DK. There is obviously going to be a confusion, and YouTube is not going to pay me for this small mistake. So you know what to do, make sure you give your correct identity, that is your correct name, and any name that is reflecting on your bank account statement, let it also be the exact same name you're going to use when setting up that AdSense account, because you have to understand that YouTube and AdSense, they just work together, they are different. So that is why if your AdSense have issue, most of the times YouTube does not have anything to do, that is, YouTube cannot resolve it. So you have to message AdSense people directly before it will be resolved, and before AdSense will respond to you, it can take days. So you wouldn't want to make any mistake. So if you don't even know how to do the full monetization setup, better still, go ahead and look for somebody who is going to pull you through. Okay, so after being able to create your dollar account successfully, the next thing is to link it directly into your AdSense. So just like as I said earlier on, once you are finally meet that $100 threshold, YouTube is going to transfer the money into your AdSense account. So it's from that your AdSense account that YouTube is going to deduct what we call tax. Okay, so tax is more like what YouTube pays the US government, because we earn in dollars, so we are definitely paying tax as Nigerian creators. So after the tax deduction which we are to pay, let's say out of that $100, or let's say out of that $110 that you finally made for the 3 months, or let's say you are lucky for a month, YouTube is now going to subtract tax, and sometimes the tax might be up to $30, $40. So $110 minus $30, then YouTube is going to be paying you what is left. So when it comes to tax, that is tax removal as a Nigerian creator, a lot of things matter, like the audience location of your viewer. Now this is where having viewers from Nigeria helps, because when you have viewers from Nigeria, your tax seems to be lower. But once you have viewer from United States, you're going to pay high tax, because on my faceless channel, I can remember there are some times that in a month I pay up to $250 as tax, while on my YouTube growth channel, sometimes I pay up to $70, $60 as tax. So that is just how it is on YouTube. Okay, so out of that $110 you made for those 3 months or for a month, YouTube is going to be deducting like $30 or $40 or even $10, depending on the kind of niche you belong to and the location of your viewers. Okay, so now after that, YouTube is now going to process the remaining amount and now send it directly into that your dollar account that you created. Okay, so now this is how it used to be. When YouTube conclude your payment, or you get that email that says your payment has been sent, you cannot in fact you don't receive the money immediately. It takes up to like 5 to 6 working days before the money will now finally reflect in your bank account. Okay, so let's assume that because YouTube usually send out their payments between 21st of the month down to 24. So let's say I got that email on my AdSense account around 21st of April. So normally I'm to be expecting the money to reflect on my bank account like 4 to 5 days later. Sometimes it might take longer, okay? But just be rest assured that at least maximum of 7 to 8 days your money is going to be reflecting on your bank account. And what YouTube is going to be sending to your bank account is still dollar. So at the end of the day, you have to change the dollar to naira for you to be able to spend it as a Nigerian creator living in Nigeria. Okay, so this is basically how YouTube pays creators in Nigeria. So if you've ever been confused or worried, I think this video should have enlightened you enough or opened your eyes to how creators make money here. Okay, and it's actually worth it. So try your best to make sure you avoid any mistake of any type in order for your money to land safely and you cash it out and you change it to naira. It's actually sweet though, like YouTube paycheck is very very sweet. Like, so that is why you have to try your best to make sure you build your channel the right way so that once you get monetized, making money is not going to be difficult for you at all. Okay, yeah, so that is going to be bringing us to the very end of this particular video. And if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. Okay, and I'll be with us shortly in the next video. So make sure to do well to like this video if you find it helpful in any ways, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and lastly do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot of other YouTubers out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.